Hello everybody, thank you for coming to this week's video blog here at California Realty Training. So glad to see you, glad you made it today because we're going to talk about clouds on a property's title. Think about that, a cloud on a title. That's the theme today, a cloud on a title. That's a great topic. Why? Because many times in your real estate career, you're going to hear that word cloud. Now, I'm not talking about a sunny day, you know, when the clouds come over and it starts to rain. I'm talking about clouds on title, how that works. Got it? Now, typically, let's back up a little bit. Typically, when it comes to clouds on title, we don't want them, all right? Let's, for example, talk about a buyer. A buyer wants to go out and buy some property. They're going to buy the brand new house. Oh my God, they're excited. Yeah, we're going to buy a brand new house. And it's supposed to be a nice sunny day. It's supposed to be a nice pleasant time. It's supposed to be a very great experience. But then all of a sudden, this huge cloud comes over these buyers, the whole situation. A cloud comes over the situation and makes it very, very unpleasant for the buyer. We don't want that. What the hell am I talking about? Here it goes. So they go and see this house and they love it. Oh my God, honey, it's got the kitchen I've dreamed of. Oh my God, honey, that garage, I can't wait to put my cars in there. The backyard, the kids are gonna love it when they go back there to play in that pool and the swing set, yada, yada, yada. So the house is perfect for them. They make an offer gets accepted, perfect. It's a nice sunny day. Remember that? It's a nice sunny day. All of a sudden, per the process of a transaction, they pull the title. Let's get this straight. They pull the title. They're going to do a title search. What does that mean? It means they're going to get the history of this property. They're going to find out, you know, the chain of title. Who's owned it before. They're going to see if there's any liens on this title. That's important here. What kind of liens are on this title? They're about to buy a house, and they want to make sure that when they buy this house, this title, this document, the title, the ownership papers of this house are clean. It's nice and sunny. That this nice document here, the ownership papers, the title is clean and sunny. It's supposed to be a pleasant day for the buyer. So when they pull the title and they review it, it's going to be right there on the title report, and they review it, and all of a sudden they see, I don't know, they see a mechanic's lien. No bueno, amigo, they don't like that. It's getting a little cloudy. They see a tax lien. Oh, it's really getting dark. Those clouds are coming in. All of a sudden they see a mortgage that wasn't paid back in 1955. Could have been a clerical error, not a big deal, but it's in there. Made it a cloud, makes us nervous. So now it's pouring rain, man. This cloud became rain, and the buyer's saying, whoa, wait a minute, back this up, pump the brakes. What's up with this stuff? This nice pleasant day has now become a cloudy, rainy disaster. So the buyer says, yo, realtor, hold on a minute. This title has a whole bunch of clouds, and I don't want to buy a house that has a bunch of clouds. This was supposed to be a sunny day for us. Well, there's a couple of ways to satisfy and make these clouds go away. How? Well, you got to talk to the seller. The seller's the one that created these clouds. The seller's the one that says, hey, please buy my house. Well, now you got to ask the seller, well, how the hell did all this come about? Now the seller has some explaining to do, and they have to go and resolve these liens. Like a mechanic's lien, checkbox off. They got to resolve the, I don't know, tax lien, checkbox off. That old mortgage lien from 1955 that was a clerical error and that the county recorder's office forgot to take it off the title. Well, the agent who represents the seller might want to go to the county recorder's office and get a quiet title action against this and make this go away. So there's ways to deal with this to satisfy the buyer and say, hey, buyer, don't sweat it. All those clouds that you saw on that title, the seller's willing to make them go away. But until then, the buyer will be standing on the sidelines saying, hey, we want the house, but we don't want it that bad unless you want to fix all this stuff up and make the clouds go away because we want it to be sunny again. Are you with me? And that's how a cloud on title works. So you ask yourself this. You're showing property to a buyer. Buyer falls in love with a house. You look at the title of the property, you as an agent, and you see clouds on there, you might want to remember this. Red flag. Ask the seller and the seller's agent, what's up with these clouds on this title? My buyer's interested, but he wants it to be a nice sunny day. You with me? Hope this helps you out, huh? Cloud on title, not a big deal. Who can help you out with the situation? What department can help you out with the situation? You guessed it, the title company. So utilize them as much as you can, all right? Hope this helps you out. Take care. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it down below. In the meantime, keep learning and have a fantastic real estate career. See you next week. Hey, thanks for watching this last video. Hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. Hey, do us a favor. If you think a family member or a friend would also enjoy it, why don't you share it with them? I guarantee it, they're going to get something out of it. In addition, if you have any comments, questions, or a topic you want us to discuss, hey, leave it down in the comments section. And one last thing. If you haven't subscribed yet, what the hell are you waiting for? Do it right now. Hope to see you next week.